Example, to find the inverse of a matrix, this matrix by adjoint method. So that step I have given in the last class. So first we consider let A is equal to given matrix, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. In my first step we have, that is we have to identify the determinant of the matrix. So I will write this matrix in terms of determinant 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that we have to solve, that is cross multiply these two elements first, that is 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, that is 4 minus 6, which will give you minus 2. Okay, so determinant of A which is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Okay. Now to find minor of a matrix, so matrix, that means we have to identify the minor element, that is minor matrix. That means first, that is M11, that is cancel the first row and first column, that element is remaining is 4. Okay, then M12, again first row second column, that element will remain is 3. Then we have M21, that is second row first column, that element is 2. Then we have M22, which is equal to second row second column, the element is 1. Okay, so therefore minor matrix we have 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, after this next step is to find the cofactor. To find factor matrix, that is A11, that is equal to, by using the formula, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, that is M11. So which will give you minus 1 raised to 2, and M11 this already we have 4, so into 4. So minus 1 raised to even power, that is will give you 1 into 4. So which is the answer is 4. So therefore A11 is equal to 4. This is your first element, first cofactor element. Okay, similarly we have to identify A12, again same formula, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 A12. So which will give you minus 1 raised to 3, M12 is 3 into 3. Okay, so minus 1 raised to odd power, that is power is 3, so that means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 3 times, so which will give you minus 1 into 3, so that will give you minus 3 A12. Therefore A12 is equal to minus 3. Okay, similarly we have to identify A21, that is again same formula, 2 plus 1 M21. Okay, so this will give you minus 1 raised to 3 into M21 is 3, no, M21 is 2, we have M21 is 2, so again minus 1 will give you minus 1 raised to 3, that is odd power, so this is 2. So answer is minus 2. So A21 will give you, answer is minus 2. Now we have to identify A22, which is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 M22. So minus 1 raised to 4 into M22 is 1. so which will give you, this is 1 into 1, so answer is 1. So A 2 2 is 1. Okay, this is 1. Now cofactor matrix is, that is 4 minus 3 minus 2 and 1. Okay, now after this cofactor matrix we have to identify the adjoint matrix, that is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. So adjoint A is equal to, you will take the transpose, that means all the row element you will write in the column, that is 4 and minus 3 minus 2 and 1. Okay, then we will use the last step, that is A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, so this is the formula. So I will substitute the value, that is 1 upon determinant we have already minus 2, then adjoint matrix, that is 4 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. Okay, so this is, now in the next step I will take minus 2 inside the bracket, so this will become, in the next step I have written these steps again, so I will take this minus 2 inside, so this will become 4 upon minus 2 minus 2 upon minus 2, okay, and minus 3 upon minus 2 and 1 upon minus 2. So we will get this as, this will get cancelled, which will give you minus 2, this again get cancelled, minus and minus, that is plus, and this term is 3 by 2, and this term will give you minus 1 by 2. So this is, we have A inverse matrix. So this is the final answer, that is the inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. Okay, let's see again. First we have to identify, the method is already specified by adjoint method. So let A the matrix, then you identify the determinant of this matrix. If determinant is minus 2, which is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Then we have to identify the minor element, that is A11, cancel the first row and first column, A21, then A21, A12 and A22. That is why using the formula which I have written in the steps in the video, the last lecture. Then we have the minor matrix. After this is the minor matrix. Then to identify the cofactor matrix, that is by using the formula which I have written, that is A11 is minus 1 is to 1 plus 1, that is M11, which we have got in this one, M21. Similarly we will identify all the 4 elements. So these are the 4 elements. Then we got this one, cofactor matrix. So this we have. Okay, then after this is the A inverse matrix. So now I will give you some sums, that is question 2 that you have to solve. It is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Find the inverse of this matrix. Third one, 2, 4, minus 3 and 5, the inverse of this matrix. In the next class we will see the inverse of the matrix by adjoint method for the matrix of order 3. Okay, in that we have the 3 cross 3 matrix, and we have to identify the inverse of that matrix. That is similar to this one, but we have the steps are going to be moved. Okay, thank you.